And why do we even bother declaring types? In the simplest sense, the purpose of having types is to constrain the value of a variable to a valid set. The process of verifying and enforcing the type constraint, expressed in your program, occurs at compilation time and is known as type checking. So for example, if we declare a variable, a, which is of type integer, and then we bind a to the character 5, we will get an error. We can see from the error it is a type mismatch. The compiler expected an integer but got the actual type of char. The program will not even compile until this problem is fixed. By having the compiler perform type checking, we ensure our program is type safe, which removes the chance of a whole class of type errors from potentially occurring. Expressions which type check are said to be well formed or well typed. Haskell has a stereotype of being difficult for beginners. Part of this difficulty comes from the experience of beginners in the language always facing issues with the compiler throwing type errors. One of the reasons for this is because compared to other languages, Haskell is more strongly typed. Certain types of code, which is permissible in other languages such as using what's known as casts or implicit type conversions, is not allowed in Haskell. As a beginner, it may seem annoying to you that you are always coming across these errors, but after a while you will come to value the fact that the compiler doing this leads to stronger guarantees of the correctness of your code when it runs, and so in the long run it is worth it. Don't fear or get angry at error messages as a beginner. Try to understand them so they become easier to deal with in the future, and be glad that the error is being caught at compile time and not at runtime. This video is a clip from a longer video for beginners starting with Haskell. Check that out if you would like to see all of the content. Also check out the entire Introduction to Functional Programming with Haskell course on the Liger Learn channel. See you next time.